Hi, my name is Michelle Thomas, and I am a kindergarten teacher in the West Claremont Local School District in Cincinnati, Ohio. Some of my other extra responsibilities are that I'm an assistant coach on the cross country team at our high school in our school district, and I'm also like a co-leader of the walk club at our elementary school for K through 5 kids. And the most influential person that I would say in my life would be my dad. My dad is someone who has always been there for me. I ran cross country in high school and in college at Ohio State, and he was always at every meet. He always believed in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. He was always a really big role model for me. He ran with me every day, was always there. Whether it was academic at school, at anything I accomplished, or at anything I accomplished for cross country and track. She's just been a big influence in my life. Some of the results from my personality test, my biggest one was that I'm a very big extrovert, and I feel like that's very true. I'm very positive, outgoing, I'm very social. I think part of that goes really well with being a kindergarten teacher. I feel like I'm really bubbly all the time. It doesn't matter what time of the day it is. I always just have all this natural energy. And I think if you would talk to any one of my friends, they would tell you that too. Like I always am just very energetic and ready to go. I think the other one that was really high for me is that I'm very agreeable with people, and that's very true. I don't like to cause waves among people, so a lot of times I'm kind of a go-with-the-flow person, and I agree with what people are going to say. I'm also very conscious before I make a decision. I like to make sure is my decision, how is it going to affect others? I always am thinking of other people's feelings, sometimes even before my own. And then the two leadership theories that I felt that fit me the best were the authentic leadership theory and the democratic leadership theory. And the reason I picked these two, and I feel like they really coincided with my personality test, was just because authentic leaders, they are someone that they're very genuine in what they want to say. They want to have a lot of people that like them, very positive, openness, willing to listen to others. And I feel like just teachers in general, a lot of teachers are like that. Like they want to be there for their students. They want to help them. You're very open. I feel like whenever I talk to someone, friends and things, they will say I'm a pretty genuine person and in what I say and what I mean. And then democratic, I just felt like that one fit me really well because I very much like to have other people's opinion, and I agree with what they think. I'm very influenced by other people's opinion. If my friends all kind of like something, sometimes I can be influenced into liking that movie or wanting to go to it too. So yeah, those are my results, and I'm really excited to get to know everyone in this class. Thanks. Bye.